be showing you in this video is how to replace your oil in your Renault Trafic MK2. So what you want to start with is open the bonnet. So what I like to do before I do any service on any car, I like to check all the fluids and make sure they're up to the level. So in this case I had to top up some antifreeze. As you can see, I used some red antifreeze, which is ready mixed. I also had to top up some screen wash, as it was low on screen wash as well. You also want to check your brake fluid and power steering fluid as well. I didn't check it on the video, but I checked it on the camera as well, so they're all fine. After you top up your fluids, what you want to do is just close all the lids that you took off. So after you do this, you want to move on to the oil change. First, you're going to have to take your oil filler cap and your dipstick out. Make sure you clean the dipstick, just not to get the car in oil. Now what you have to do is drain the oil. To drain it, on this car you have to use a special sun plug removal key, which is 8mm square bit. Also you have to use a 19mm socket and a ratchet. I used the 1/2" ratchet. Now you have to take your sun plug off. As you can see, mine was pretty tight. After you crack it loose, you want to take your drain bucket and place it underneath the sun plug and take the sun plug out. While it's draining, you can remove your oil filter, which is located just there. For this you have to use a 27mm socket and a ratchet. Crack it loose. Place the buckets underneath just to catch in your oil. So after you remove it completely, what you have to do is just pull the old oil filter out, and don't forget to replace the rubber seal around the filter cap. Just before you put it back in, you have to take some oil. I normally use the old oil. Put some oil around the seal and place it back. Screw in hand tight. Now remove your bucket so it's not in the way. Take your 27mm socket and the ratchet and tie the oil filter cap. Don't do it too tight as it may crack, as it's just plastic. Same with the sun plug. Don't do it too tight, as you can strip the bolt. So after you tie the sun plug in the filter, take some brake cleaner, spray some brake cleaner on the sun plug and the oil filter and wipe it, just so when you're checking for any oil leaks, you're not going to see the old oil. So after you do this, you're going to take your new oil and fill it up. So what I did was I put the whole 5 liters in, then recheck the oil, make sure it's just below the max. I think I had to top up half a liter more, but you're gonna see on your dipstick. So after you recheck the oil level, checking that it's all good, then what you're gonna have to do is start the car. Let it run for 2-3 minutes. While it's running, what you can do is go under the car and check that it doesn't leak. So after you run it for 2 to 3 minutes, you want to turn it off and recheck the oil level. If you need some more oil, top it up. If it's okay, then that's it, your job is done. If you like the video, leave a like. If you have any question, leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to see other how-to videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.